We're bringing you this breaking news story now. A suspected drug mule has been arrested at OR Tambo International Airport. For more details on this, we're joined by the National Police spokesperson, Colonel Athlenda Mathe. Colonel Athlenda Mathe, thank you so much for your time. Really do appreciate it. Perhaps take us into the details of this. Who exactly was arrested and how did the arrest come about?
A very good evening and thank you for the opportunity. I can confirm that a 30-year-old Namibian national drug mule has been arrested at the OR Tambo Airport this morning as she landed from Brazil. We were following up on intelligence-driven information of a woman carrying drugs. She was intercepted by customs who alerted the police. And immediately we took her to hospital. An X-ray confirmed that she had swallowed bullets of cocaine. We have, together with the hospital, ensured that she is given medication to release these drugs, suspected drugs. We can confirm that the process is underway. She is currently under police guard at OR Tambo Airport, where she has started to release some of the drugs. We can confirm that she is in possession of some of these drugs that she is busy releasing. So she is under arrest. This process is expected to take a day or two because we need to ensure that all the drugs are out of her system. So we will be taking her in between hospitals just to get her an X-ray, check on whether all the drugs have been ejected out of her system.
Does the X-ray reveal how many cocaine bullets she has swallowed?
Well, it's quite a number. I can confirm that she's already released more than 20 to 30, between 20 and 30 bullets of this cocaine. So we are not sure how many more she has and how much value these drugs are worth. But we will be obviously getting her medical attention to ensure that firstly she is in good health so that she can answer to the crime committed. But we also then need to ensure that all the drugs are ejected out of the system. So we will be taking her in between to a hospital just to check that her system is clear of all the drugs.
Where was she traveling to? You said that she had landed in from Brazil. Where was she traveling to and where were these drugs destined for?
Look, the information that we have now, she had a flight ticket from Sao Paulo to South Africa, and it looks like her final destination was South Africa. Our investigating team is busy with her. They're currently conducting interviews with her to get more information on where her final destination was. What we do know currently is that she is 30 years old. She is a Namibian national.
And is there any intel on whether she is part of a syndicate and which specific syndicate, or is she seen as a lone operator at this stage?
Look, she's obviously not working alone. So we are following all leads on who she is working with, whether in South Africa, whether in Sao Paulo, whether in Namibia. So we are following all leads to ascertain on whether this is she belongs to a larger syndicate or not. But I think, you know what, in the past 2 months, the police at OR Tambo Airport have really been vigilant. The teams at OR Tambo Airport have really been on the ground. This is the 10th drug mule that has been arrested in the last 2 months. And we've collected and confiscated more than 30 million worth of drugs from our vigilance and so on. So really credit needs to be given to our men and women in blue at all our ports of entry for their vigilance. This is not only the only port of entry that has been registering massive drug busts. We've had our ports of entry in KwaZulu-Natal registering hundreds and millions of cocaine busts. So really, we do give gratitude to our, police officers who remain determined and relentless in their pursuit to ensure that they put criminals behind bars.
Yeah, and just lastly, has the Namibian authorities been informed about the arrest of their 30-year-old national?
Look, that is something that we are going to be following up on to obviously alert the embassy. But also, like you had indicated, we need to find out if she belongs to a larger syndicate, who she is working with, and so on. So we are going to be pursuing all leads. Even in Brazil, we are going to be in contact with Brazilian authorities. And I must say, we are working closely with other countries in terms of our collaboration through Interpol to ensure that we put a stop to transnational organized crime.
Yeah. Athlenda Mathe, thank you so much for your time. Really do appreciate it. That is the National Police spokesperson.